be the last to go out.
Happy birthday, Titi Che! And happy birthday, Weezy!
Hindi ako makababae.
So guys, nandito muna kami sa may 5th Avenue. Kasi nalobat si Bumble Blue. Isay lobat. Bumble Blue is lobat. Bumble Blue is lobat. So, bumili muna kami ng baterya guys. Lobat si Bumble Blue. Hello. Yan po sila si Bumble Blue. Really? Bumble Blue is lobat. You have to charge. Mama, happy ka ba, ma? Nakigala ka na naman. Stay there.
Alam ka na ng ano.
So, nandito kami guys sa may Serenity. Dito kami kakain. Pero meron iba ring mga kainan dito. Yan, kagaya ng Janan. Aristocrat. May aristocrat dito. Ayan, dito tayo sa may Serenity. Sana walang reservation dito. Kasi doon sa may Silver Crown, merong reservation. Ayan. Yan, dito na tayo guys. Ay, ang cute oh.
Mommy, look at this.
Wow! Oo! You might fall, ah. Inside!
Alright. I like this, Daddy. Wow.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Birthday to you.
Where's your kawan?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Wow. Strawberry from Baguio. Baguio City. Strawberry from Baguio City.
Sana sa lamisa.
Come here guys.
I want the blow.
Ayan. Sige, kanta ulit. Lakasan yung mga, yung mga anak naman ngayon. Medyo mas malakas naman.
Ay, ano yan?
Dyan, 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 dyan.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Blow, bebe.
Tita Che and Rizzy. Hindi siya nag-blow na ano talaga.
Lakas ng hangin. Kasi lumabas na kayo dun eh.
One more.
Abi.
1, 2, 3. Ano one more?
Blow.
Ang bobo.
Unit 3.
Blow na. Blow. Blow, Racy. Blow. Blow
Kuha ka
it.
muna, tagalin mo yan. O, picture mo maganda ha. Video mo na lata si crop natin. 1. Come on na, blow.
Come on.
1, 2, 3. Blow, not with the laway. Just blow. Yan.
Parang hindi ka naman happy, Rizzy girl. Parang hindi ka happy.
Timing ni Racy.
Sure ba yan? Pwede pa. Ano nangyari kay Inday?
Okay, so after ng kumain at magpalit nga ng baterya, bigla naman naplatan si Daddy Riddell kasi sobrang bigat ni Tita Che.
Look, Mommy, it's Wednesday. Look,
Oh yeah.
it's Wednesday.
Yeah, it's Wednesday.
And I want to dance Wednesday.
Oh, can you dance Wednesday?
Not dance. Dance.
Okay, so naplatan po si Daddy Riddell.
I want
Napunta pa ho siya ng Valenzuela para
magbago.
pa-vulcanize. Nandito na po tayo sa expressway. Skyway pala, Skyway.
Skyway. Look the buildings.
Skyway, wow. This is the real Skyway.
You know,
Yeah.
a building. So many buildings.
A building.
Up there. So many buildings. And it's too high.
And we're ready to go to Manila Zoo. So papunta na po tayo ngayon sa Manila Zoo. Are you ready guys to go to see that?
kids?
Are you?
Captain.
I can't hear you.
Hiya, Captain.
Oh!
Come on, sing.
Only to the pineapple under the sea.
Bye, guys. Come on. Nakalimutan ko yung second. Wait. So sweaty.
So para mas mabilis sa nag-skyway kami. Tapos pagbaba, konting kaliwa na lang. Yun, nandun na kami sa Manila Zoo. Rizzy, how are you, Rizzy?
Lobat.
Lobat.
Very lobat.
See you later, guys. Sobrang daming tao na, guys.
The birds.
Wala nang parking sa loob.
It's not here. Look. Where? Outside.
Yay! Rizzy! Happy birthday, girls! Daming tao dito ngayon, guys. Sa Manila Zoo. O yan, diyan ka mga pre-booking. So, kailangan, guys, pag nandito kayo, magpabook na kayo. Online. Yay!
When they ask you how old are you, say I'm 3 years old, okay?
Busy! Ate. Happy birthday! Oh, ayan, buhay pa siya. Ate Gia, you call Mali.
There, elephant.
The elephant there. Hi, Mali. Gia eh. Punta sa Manila si mother ah. Happy look, mother.
Oo, Lolo.
Ha?
Lolo.
Hi, Lolo.
Buti na lang, di sumama.
Baby, oh.
Okay.
He's sleeping, Racy. Sleeping. Hello, he's sleeping. Where's the tiger? Ayun pala.
Oh, she's sleeping.
You know, baby, oh.
Daddy, I want to see the crocodile. Daddy, I want to see the
I'm going to wee-wee.
crocodile. What is that?
Old lion.
Let's see the crocodile.
Pwede pala bumaba doon.
Ang laki ng tiyan.
Busog.
Nakakain ng bata niya.
Ulit kayo. Dia.
Oh my.
Tingnan mo, may sobrang laking turtle sa...
Let's take it somewhere underwater.
Look, there is he. Racy. Racy. See a snake? Ate, doon ka na sa ano lang. Ate, doon ka na sa